Howdy folks, got the shop help out here today. Doing a brake job on this mint condition 2000 Volkswagen Beetle. Gonna fix her up right. The sensor on the dash has been going off saying that it needs brakes. We can fix it. Show you what I mean here. Turn the key on. Alarm sounds, that little light right there. Gonna take care of that. First off, we already zipped the wheel off. You look here, there's a little electro digital sender. Tells you when your brakes are bad. Keep that in mind. Just reach that in here and there we go. And here's the wires. Take your wires, strip them back, twist them bad boys together. And now, fixed. Better than factory. Follow me for more fix-it tips.